In this video, we will show you how to set up Apple Pay, so you can use your Apple device to make payments in store, online, and even in apps. It's secure and easy. Let's get started. First, ensure you are signed in with your Apple ID on the Apple device you would like to use Apple Pay. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app and hit the plus sign in the top right corner, and add a credit or debit card of your choice. Then you can either take a picture of your card or enter the details manually. You will be prompted to verify your identity by your bank or credit card issuer. If you also own an Apple Watch, your cards will now appear there also. When shopping in person, look for the Apple Pay or contactless indicator symbol, so you can use your Apple device to make the payment. You can use Apple Pay almost anywhere, including stores, restaurants, vending machines, ride shares, public transit, and a lot more. When you're ready to make a payment, double-click the side button if you have an iPhone with Face ID. Just glance at your iPhone to authenticate. If you have an iPhone with Touch ID, double-click the Home button and rest your finger on the Home button to authenticate. Or you may enter your passcode based on your security settings. Your default card will show. If you would like to use another card, simply tap on your default card and choose the card you would like to use. Now hold your iPhone near the card reader until the payment is complete. You can also use Apple Pay when using many shopping apps, as well as when browsing using the Safari internet browser. Click Buy with Apple Pay and confirm billing details to check out. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.